Do you fancy winning one of these?
Yes, you could be the proud owner of one of 3 of these Star Sabers, which is being given away by Star this January.
So keep watching to find out how.
And this whole Star Saber assembly is made on 5 of Star's sliding head turning centres. All of the manufacturing, the designing has all been done here by Star GB. And in fact, it comprises of no less than 16 turn parts.
Now I know you want to get involved, let me tell you some of the finer details. There's prismatic and turned components here with aluminium, stainless steel, brass and acrylic. With machining methods including turning, milling, threading, engraving, boring, tapping, drilling, threading, pretty much everything that the Star machines are capable of machining. Good luck, because we want to lighten up the dark side of your January.
Now, if you want to be the proud owner of one of these Star Sabers, all you've got to do is guess the cycle time of all of the machining of this complete. Now, Lindsay, what's your favourite bit about this Star Saber? And don't say the lights.
No, I love all the detail, all the etching. It really is incredible.
But remember, only one of you can win.
No, there are 3 of these to give away.
3? How does 3 work?
Or all you do is simply enter by clicking the link below, and the top 3 closest guesses of the cycle time get to win one of these.